sedimentary rock. These are weak and found in layers. These rocks are generally weak and found in layers develops due to continuous deposits of the weathered material weathered and eroded materials. It develops due to continuous deposits of the weathered and eroded materials. They develop due to continuous deposits of weathered and eroded materials. Okay, they are found in layers. So, these are weak soil and greatly affected by chemical weathering. They are greatly affected by chemical weathering. They are greatly affected by chemical weathering. Okay, they are greatly affected by chemical weathering. Right. Okay, sedimentary rocks. Example of sedimentary rocks. Example you can see. Whether porous or permeable ज़्यादा होंगे तो इसीलिए coal is a sedimentary rock. Sandstone, sedimentary rock. Sandstone, coal, limestone, dolomite, chalk. All these are sedimentary rocks here. Chalk is a sedimentary rock. What else? Is gypsum a sedimentary rock? Dolostone, gypsum. Okay, even petroleum is a sedimentary rock, you remember. Petroleum is sedimentary rock. Please do remember this. Petroleum. Okay, petroleum is also sedimentary rocks here, right? So, these are certain things. Okay, after sedimentary rock covers largest area over the earth surface. Almost or major area of earth surface is covered with sedimentary rocks. Okay. So, this is covering the largest area. Over the earth surface, if you will see, area wise largest area, volume. If you look at weight wise is largest one, first rank will be igneous rock. Area coverage wise this one, sedimentary rock, you remember. Okay, I hope you got it. Next one is metamorphic rock. These rocks can be developed due to there is a change in its arrangement of particles. Here, rearrangement of particles takes place due to the impact of temperature, pressure or both of them. ये दोनों को भी होता है, both temperature and pressure also. Only temperature, only pressure or both? Here, rearrangements of particles takes place due to the impact of temperature, pressure and or both. So, there is like rearrangement होगा, कुछ जगह पे तो chemical compositional changes भी होते हैं. There are two major types of metamorphism. देखिए, एक होता है because of temperature is dominant one, another one is because of pressure is the dominant one. So two types, but they are intermediate also. Let us look at rock में metamorphism से pressure temperature से होते हैं. So metamorphism are of two types मैंने कहा. Let me note it down here, so it will be easy for you. Metamorphism is of two types. Thermal metamorphism dynamic metamorphism. Contact metamorphism, regional metamorphism. Can you see this? Please note it down. Metamorphism is a process in which there is rearrangement of the particles takes place. Right? If temperature is the dominant one, then it is thermal. If pressure is the dominant one, then it is dynamic. Remember this. Now, कॉन्टैक्ट मेटामॉर्फिज्म कहां पे होगा? जहां पे वोल्केनिक इरप्शन है. रीजनल मेटामॉर्फिज्म कहां होगा? जहां पे प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स है, प्लेट मूवमेंट. डायनेमिक ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्रेशनल pressure. Here it is plate tectonics में compression and subduction. कंप्रेशन से क्या होगा? प्रेशर. सबडक्शन से क्या होगा? टेम्परेचर. दोनों का रहेगा. वोल्केनिक में यहां पे हो जाए केवल टेम्परेचर प्लेज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. आप देखो, अगर किसी भी मिनरल है, रॉक है, उसे टेम्परेचर ज्यादा. इफ एनी रॉक इज देयर एंड मोर इंपैक्टेड बाय टेम्परेचर ड्यू टू volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is there near lava chamber. You have development of a rock, that is contact metamorphism. But if there is plate movement, or if there is like a movement of the plate, compression will be there, as well as if there is like two plates, oceanic and continental plates are moving. There are differences in their density, as I was told you about oceanic crust and the continental crust. Continental plate has more continental crust. Oceanic plate has more oceanic crust. Oceanic plate is heavier, it goes down. Continental plate is lighter, it dried up. And there you have, when the one plate moved down, and another one is pressure is there, both compression and, because it goes down, it will have temperature also, regional metamorphism. But near volcanic regions, you have mostly contact metamorphism. But whenever two continental plates are meeting with each other, convergence of the plate is there, but there is no subduction. दोनों का density समान है, pressure is equal. If the pressure is equal as well as density of rock is almost equal, in that case, because of more and more pressure, what will happen? You have crustal deformation. Here is known as dynamic metamorphism. Please remember this. Dynamic metamorphism it is. So this type of metamorphism is also responsible for. Okay. This type of metamorphism is also responsible for different type of rock, metamorphic rock. Vanshika is asking, sir, can any possible by given for why the majority of the area of earth's surface is covered by sedimentary rock? You know, it is because the primary rock even, that is the igneous rock even, subsequently got eroded and weathered and form a thin layer. No part of the earth's surface is free from weathering and erosion. If there is no erosion, there is weathering. You remember. Inside the ocean, ocean has maximum area. And in the ocean, whatever is dead organic materials, dead oceanic shell and oceanic plant and animal, they are deposit also sedimentary rock. Okay. Majority part of the ocean has ooze, OOJD. Ooze mean what? Ooze is the deposits of sediments from the dead marine organism. Okay. Is it clear, Vanshika? Because ocean cover larger area first, and second is in fact no part of the earth crust is free from weathering and erosion. There is continuous weathering and erosion, so there is continuous formation of this. Very thin layer will have. Even in the desert you have sand is sedimentary. Loess is sedimentary. In the even the snow covered is sediments. They are sediments. Snow is sediments. Okay. Again, there is like, if you look at it, technically speaking, most part of this is their sedimentary rock covered. Okay, please look at here again. Metamorphism, two types, thermal and dynamic, contact and regional, I have just said. So let me go for this in detail. Some of the most important things. I'll give an example. Ek example I'll give you. You know about Taj Mahal, okay? Taj Mahal sab log dikhaya bhi hai. Now history you have studied in the beginning and you know it. Taj Mahal is made up of what type of rock? Metamorphic rock. From where? Can anyone tell me? From where you got this? Taj Mahal, the rock we got it. We have constructed the Taj Mahal with the metamorphic rock, marble. Sandstone will form quartzite, quartz. Limestone is from marble. Granite will form gneiss. Graphite will form diamond. Shell, schist, clay, slate, clay, slate, schist, shell, schist. We are saying clay and shell are same thing, slate and schist said almost equal type you are saying. But these are the things here. Makrana marble, Rajasthan you said, fine. Is these two are correct? आप ये दोनों करेक्ट है क्या? देखो बताओ मुझे. अच्छा, मेरे क्वेश्चन है लाइमस्टोन टू मार्बल, मार्बल बने and a Makrana marble from which? you are getting. Best quality of marble in India is Makrana marble. Fine. Makrana marble is the best quality of marble in India. Fine. Now, you have seen about Italian marble. What is the difference between these two? Italian marble and Makrana marble. Which one has more glaze? इंडियन मार्बल और इटालियन मार्बल में कोई इसका ग्लेज ज्यादा है, चमकता है कौन सा ज्यादा? Why people are importing from Italy? देखो इटालियन मार्बल, देखिए both are metamorphic rock, but remember the Italian marble are formed due to what is that? Part of regional metamorphism. Indian marble is primarily due to dynamic metamorphism. If temperature and pressure both are there, both the impact of temperature and pressure you will get in Mediterranean Sea region. You know Mediterranean Sea region has two plates, they are meeting here. African plate and Eurasian plate both are meeting there. And there are volcanic eruption here. Mount Vesuvius, Mount Etna, Stromboli. You know about this? All the Mediterranean region is known for volcanic eruption. We have compression also there, folding is there as well as pressure is there as well as temperature. That's why the particles are of different types arrangement. In case of India, during this is like faulting and subsequent formation at that time, because of Narmada fault line, Narmada fault is developed during the Narmada fault, and earlier during the Aravalli formation, we have formation of this. And आपको बता दूं, marble is of different types here, grade is different, that's why. Friends, type of metamorphism will determine the glaze and the quality of the rocks. And this is what is because of the thermal metamorphism to some extent. The regional metamorphism particularly is better for metamorphic rock, giving better glaze than this dynamic pressure. आपको ये जो बताया sandstone, quartzite, mostly because of pressure. Pressure is the most important factor here. It is a part of what is this then? Dynamic metamorphism. ये मोस्टली इंडिया में जो मिलता है डायनेमिक मेटामॉर्फिज्म में होते हैं. इंडिया में ये भी डायनेमिक है. एंड ग्रेनाइट टू नीश इज मोस्टली इट इज ग्रेनाइट टू नीश. यू रिमेंबर दे आर प्राइमरली बिकॉज ऑफ ईदर कंटैक्ट और थर्मल. कंटैक्ट इज मोर. आपको बुंदेलखंड नीश जो है, इन बुंदेलखंड इन इंडिया, बुंदेलखंड नीश, it is primarily it is thermal, it is contact metamorphism. Contact metamorphism ये regional नहीं है, contact है. Graphite to diamond in India is mostly regional metamorphism से हुआ है. Clay ये सब pressure से होता है, मतलब dynamic metamorphism है. My friends, you remember the type of metamorphism and subsequently what type of rock they are forming. If you will see, it is very conceptual things. They can ask the question goes up to this extent even. In India, you will get this type of rocks primarily based on pressure and temperature, and both of them how they are exercising their impact on the entire rock strata. Fine, I hope you got it. Sandstone, mostly, आपको पता है, in Madhya Pradesh there is a place known as Panna. Panna is known for diamond. Diamond in Panna regions is primarily because of regional data. You know about Malwa Plateau. In Malwa Plateau is located. It is Malwa Plateau is volcanic one. The volcanism and pressure faulting because of Narmada faulting, both are responsible for this. My friend, you remember these are different types of rock type. They change. The impact of pressure and temperature is responsible for variety of rock, as I have just said like this. Are you getting the things? Are you getting this? Is okay? I hope if at all any question you will get from rock type, you will now able to deal. Yes or no? कोई भी question आएगा rock का कर लेंगे क्या? Is it possible? Can I believe? Can I trust you that you will able to do the things? क्या हम आपसे ऊपर इतना उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आप कर लेंगे इसको? rock type. Is it there? Yes or no? आप लोगों से मेरा उम्मीद है कि कर लेंगे आप लोग. If not, then let me know, because based on that I'll have to do. Rock type is very, very important for your exam. Let me tell you, my friends, rock type can be asked. Okay? Intrusive chlorite से rhyolite, andesite, gabbro, ये सब चीजें जो anyway there is like a formation of different rock based on this. I hope you got it. Any question on this, please let me know. कोई क्वेश्चन है क्या इग्नियस रॉक के ऊपर, मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक के ऊपर एंड ऑल? शेल स्लेट बनता है, सिस्ट बनते हैं और नीस भी बनते हैं. आपको बता दो, अंडर सर्टेन कंडीशन ये यहां से नीस भी बन सकते हैं. देयर आर केसेस ऑल्सो वी फाउंड. दीज आर एक्सेप्शनल केस. जियोलॉजी में कोई यहाँ तो पढ़ सकते होंगे. यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड, इफ एनीवन फ्रॉम जियोलॉजी,